In this video, we will see the definitions of pole, center of curvature, principal axis and radius of curvature. How we will define a pole? Suppose consider a curved surface separating two medias. Then how we will define pole? The center of the curved surface is called the pole of that curved surface. Next, center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which curved surface is a part is called as center of curvature and is denoted by letter C. Principal axis. A line that joins the center of the curvature and the pole is called principal axis. Radius of curvature defined as it is the distance between the pole and the center of curvature. So these are the basic definitions which we can understand from this figure. And important point in this figure to discuss is any line drawn from the center of the curvature to a point on the curved surface becomes normal to the curved surface at that point. Means normal means a perpendicular line means 90 degrees. It is a normal. Why it is called as a normal? Because there is a reason behind that. Here we are considering curved surface means it is a circle in the two-dimensional figure if we consider. Then what happens? Why it is becoming as normal? Any line that passes through the center of the curvature is nothing but the radius or the diameter of the circle. So when the radius meets the circumference of the circle, it is always perpendicular to the tangent of that point. If we draw a tangent on this point through this point, then automatically this will be in a 90 degrees. Then the line joining from the center of the curvature to any point on the curved surface becomes normal. This is the reason behind this. Now let us move to the definitions in clear. Pole. The center of the curved surface is called the pole of the curved surface. Center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which curved surface is a part is called the center of curvature and is denoted by letter C. Radius of curvature. It is the distance between the pole and center of curvature. Next, principal axis. The line that joins the center of the curvature and the pole is called principal axis. Now coming back to the figure. The light rays gets hit on a curved surface and gets refraction. Then the point, the center of the curved surface is pole P and the center of curvature is the center of the curved surface is C and this is the line joining between the pole and the center of curvature is principal axis.